Do you want to create a professional portfolio website without knowing a single line of code? Imagine building a website for yourself or your clients in minutes using AI, showcasing your skills and even earning money online. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method to create a stunning one-page portfolio website using AI tools. And the best part? You don't need coding knowledge at all. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a clean, elegant, and fully functional portfolio website for anyone, whether it's yourself or a client. Let's dive in. Step 1. Prepare your information. Before asking AI to create your website, you need to gather some basic information about the person whose portfolio you're creating. For example, name, Mr. Ahmad Ali Butt. Profession, experienced eye specialist. Experience, 10 years in government and semi-government hospitals. Contact number, +92 333 000 1234. Address, 54 Jinnah Avenue, Islamabad, Pakistan. Profile photo, a demi-portrait, half-body image. Tip: keep the information clear and concise. AI works best with structured data. Please note that the aforesaid information/data is fake for the sake of teaching, and there is no such person or doctor exist. In case of resemblance, it may be accidental. Step 2. Ask Claude AI to generate the website. Now we will use Claude AI to generate a one-page professional portfolio website. Here is the exact prompt you can use in Claude AI. Claude AI prompt. Create a professional, simple, and elegant one-page portfolio website for Mr. Ahmad Ali Butt, an experienced eye specialist with 10 years of experience in government and semi-government hospitals. The website should include a demi-portrait, half-body image of Mr. Ahmad Ali Butt, his full name prominently displayed, profession and experience summary, contact information with mobile number +92 3331 234 567 and address 54 Jinnah Avenue, Islamabad, Pakistan. A clean, modern design suitable for a professional portfolio. The website should be fully functional using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in a single page. Include sections about, experience, contact, and optionally, skills. The code should be easy to copy and edit for beginners. Use professional fonts, colors, and layout that are visually appealing but simple. Ensure the website is responsive, works on mobile and desktop. Provide the complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code in one file with proper comments. This prompt will be available in description to be used with certain modification as per your requirements. Step 3. Download the AI-generated code. Once Claude AI generates the website code, download the entire output file and rename it as index.html. Tip: the AI-generated code should already include all HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one file, so you don't need to create separate files. That is all. You have created one-page portfolio website of a doctor. With modification of data, you can create any one portfolio website. Step 4. Preview the website. Right-click the index.html file and select Open with Browser, Chrome, Edge, etc. You'll see your complete portfolio website live. Test the mobile responsiveness by shrinking the browser window. Tip: make small edits directly in the code if you want to change colors, text, or layout. The AI usually provides clear comments to help beginners.
Step 5. Adding profile image on the website. I again opened Claude.ai and wrote the following prompt after doing all this. I have created a new folder, namely Profile, and therein kept the above code in index.html file, and also create a folder within Profile folder and kept portfolio image in the file profile.png. Make necessary changes so that same image is visible in the website code. On click, the Claude AI made changes and regenerated code. Download the same file and rename it as index.html and replace it in the old file index.html in the profile folder. I have already added picture of the doctor with the name profile.png. Now when you will open a new index.html file, you will see that the picture is visible on the website.
Step 6. Customize for any client. Now that you have a working template, replace name, profession, and experience with any other person's info. Update the profile photo by changing the image URL in the code. Adjust contact details and optional sections like skills, projects, or testimonials. You can now create a portfolio for any professional in minutes. This skill can help you earn online by building websites for clients without ever coding manually. Step 7. Conclusion. And that's it. You've just created a fully functional, elegant, one-page professional website without writing a single line of code manually. With AI, the possibilities are endless. You can create websites for doctors, teachers, designers, or anyone, and even start offering web design services online. Keep practicing, experiment with layouts, and soon you'll master the skill and start earning from it. Pro tip for beginners. Always keep your client's info ready. Use AI for layout, colors, and responsiveness. Copy, paste, and slightly edit to make it unique for each project.